Hello again, little piggies. Today we are unboxing another exciting surprise. It's Peppa's Friends toy set. Let's open the box and meet each of Peppa's amazing friends. Let's carefully open the box. Who's peeking out first? Except from the friends, we have here our Grandpa Pig, and our loving Granny Pig. And here we have our loving Peppa Pig, and we have our little brother George. Oh, it's Sushi, Peppa's best friend. Hi, Peppa. Want to play doctors and nurses? Yes, please, Sushi. And here comes Rebecca Rabbit. Carrots are my favorite. And we can see here Rebecca's mother, Mrs. Rabbit, also here. Look who it is. It is Petra Pony. I like to wear my cowboy hat. Yo-ho! And here comes Freddy Frogs. I can't smell anything. I've got super nose. Here's the Candy Cat. Meow. I love to sing songs with my friends. It's Emily Elephant and her mother. I play the tuba. Boom, boom, boom. Next up is Danny Dog. I love racing around and playing football. And last but not least, and here comes Zoe Zebra. I help my daddy deliver the post. Nah. Let's see everyone together. Sushi, Danny, Rebecca, Pedro, Candy, and Emily. What a cheerful group of friends. Hooray! Let's all go to Playgroup together. Now it's your turn to create fun stories with Peppa and all her friends. If you like this unboxing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Peppa toy videos and story time. Fun. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. See you soon. Love you all.
BookTube Kids.